Hello everyone, welcome to Technia TV. I, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAJMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on National Rural Health Mission. NRHM, which is also known as National Rural Health Mission, was launched on 12th April 2005 to provide accessible, affordable and quality healthcare to the rural population, especially the vulnerable groups. The Union Cabinet, via its decision dated 1st May 2013, has approved the launch of National Urban Health Mission, which is also known as NUHM, as a sub-mission of an overarching National Health Mission, that is NHM, with National Rural Health Mission NRHM being the other submission of National Health Mission. NRHM seeks to provide equitable, affordable and quality healthcare to the rural population, especially the vulnerable groups. Under the NRHM, the Empowered Action Group, that is known as EAG states as well, northeastern states, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh have been given special focus. The thrust of the mission is on establishing a fully functional community-owned decentralized health delivery system with intersectorial convergence at all levels to ensure simultaneous action on a wide range of determinants of health such as water, sanitation, education, nutrition, social and gender equality. Institutional integration within the fragmented health sector was expected to provide a focus on outcomes measured against Indian public health standards for all health facilities. As per the 12th plan document of the Planning Commission, the flagship program of NRHM will be strengthened under the umbrella of National Health Mission. The focus on covering rural areas and rural population will continue along with the upscaling of NRHM to include non-communicable diseases and expanding health coverage to urban areas. Accordingly, the Union Cabinet in May 2013 has approved the launch of National Urban Health Mission, which is also known as NUHM, as a submission of an overarching National Health Mission, with National Rural Health Mission being the other submission of the National Health Mission. It was further extended in March 2018 to continue till March 2020. Some of the major initiatives under NHM are as follows: accredited social health activists, community health volunteers called accredited social health activists, which is also known as ASHAs, have been engaged under the mission for establish a link between the system. ASHA is the first port of call for any health related demands of deprived section of the population, especially women and children who find it difficult to access health services in rural areas. ASHA program is expanding across states and has particularly been successful in bringing people back to public health system and has increased the utilization of outpatient services, diagnostic facilities, institutional deliveries and inpatient care. Rogi Kalyan Samiti, which is also known as Patient Welfare Committee or Hospital Management Society, is a management structure that acts as a group of trustees for the hospitals to manage the affairs of the hospital. Financial assistance is provided to these committees through United Fund to undertake activities for patient welfare. Healthcare contractors. NRHM has provided healthcare contractors to underdeserved areas and has been involved in training to expand the skill set of doctors at strategically located facilities identified by the states. Similarly, due importance is given to capacity building of nursing staffs and auxiliary workers such as ANMs. National Ambulance Service. Free ambulance services are provided in every nook and corner of the country, connected with a toll-free number and can reach within 30 minutes of the call. Mother and Child Health Wing, also known as MCH wings, with a focus to reduce maternal and child mortality, dedicated mother and child health wings with 100 by 50 by 30 bed capacity have been sanctioned in high case load district hospitals and CHCs, which would create additional beds for mothers and children. Free drugs and free diagnostic service. A new initiative is launched under the National Health Mission to provide free drug service and free diagnostic service with a motive to lower the out-of-pocket expenditure on health. District Hospital and Knowledge Center, also known as DHKC. As a new initiative, district hospitals are being strengthened to provide multi-speciality healthcare including dialysis care, intensive cardiac care, cancer treatment, mental illness, emergency medical and trauma care, etc. These hospitals would act as a knowledge support for clinical care in facilities below it through a telemedicine center located in the district headquarters and also developed as centers for training and paramedics and nurse. Some of the core strategies: train and enhance capacity of Panchayat Raj institutions to own, control and manage public health service, promote access to improved healthcare at household level through the female health activists, health plan for each village through village health committee of the panchayat, integrating vertical health and family welfare program at national, state, block and district level. Technical support to national, state and district health mission for public health management, strengthening capacities for data collection, assessment and review for evidence-based planning, monitoring and supervision. Formulation of transparent policies for deployment and career development of human resources for health. Developing capacities for preventive healthcare at all levels for promoting healthy lifestyles, reduction in consumption of tobacco and alcohol, etc. Promoting non-profit sector, particularly in under-reserved areas. I hope you understand the lecture of NRHM. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you very much.